how you can add an admin to your Facebook page, making your page management a breeze. Whether you're looking to share the workload or simply need extra help, this guide has got you covered. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's understand why adding an admin to your Facebook page might be beneficial. Admins can help manage your page, post content, respond to messages, and more, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business or community. Before we proceed, ensure you're logged in into the Facebook account that has admin rights to the page you want to manage. This is crucial as only current admins can assign new roles. Step 1, accessing your Facebook page settings. Navigate to your Facebook page. You can do this by clicking on your page on the pages in the left menu of your newsfeed. Once you've entered your page, tap on Professional Dashboard. Here, scroll down on the left hand side until you find Page Access. Click on it. Here you can see only you have the Facebook page access. Tap on Add New. Here, read all the details, and if you agree, then tap on Next and search the name of the person you want to give access of your page to. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add an admin to your Facebook page. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with friends who might find it useful.